We are going to cover the steps to install additional memory into the Dell Mini 1012. Please take a moment to ensure that you have everything needed before you proceed. First, disconnect the battery from the netbook. Then you will need to remove 3 screws located below the battery compartment. Once you remove the screws, please keep them close to you as you will need them very soon. Using your screwdriver, if it is small enough, or a large straightened paper clip, insert the tip into the hole and gently press the keyboard until it releases. Be careful with the ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the motherboard as you release the keyboard. Turn the keyboard over and remove the screw from the memory compartment door. You will find your old memory here. Release the 2 notches on the side of the memory module. Remove it at a 45-degree angle. Replace your new module, making sure your alignment notches match up. Insert it at a 45-degree angle and press into place. Make sure both latches click into place. Replace your memory door. Carefully replace the keyboard. Make sure it also clicks into place. Turn your computer over, replace the 3 screws, replace the battery, and you're all done. You have now upgraded your Dell Mini 1012 netbook.